Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine this, your hair feeling like it's been pampered with every drop, soft and moisturized, but without that heavy, greasy feel. Well, I'm about to introduce you to a product that claims just that, Aveda's Dry Remedy Daily Moisturizing Oil. This is a lightweight oil designed for dry, brittle hair, packed with nourishing ingredients like organic Buriti oil. Let's dive into how it holds up. The Aveda Dry Remedy Daily Moisturizing Oil is part of Aveda's renowned line of plant-powered hair care products, and this one promises to hydrate and smooth dry hair with an all-natural approach. It's 90% naturally derived, which already piques my interest. The oil is silicone-free, making it a fantastic option for anyone who's looking to avoid synthetic additives that can sometimes build up and weigh hair down. Key ingredient: organic Buriti oil, known for its rich content of essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which help restore moisture to the hair, providing it with a healthy shine without any of that unwanted stickiness. Plus, the natural scent gives off a refreshing vibe, nothing overpowering, but just enough to add to the overall experience. The 1 oz bottle is compact, making it perfect for on-the-go use, but also surprisingly effective despite its smaller size. Now, how does it perform? I tested it on dry, brittle ends and used it both after washing and as a daily refresher. The texture is smooth and lightweight. Just a few drops go a long way. My hair absorbed it quickly, and the oil didn't leave any greasy residue. I noticed a visible difference in how nourished and smooth my hair looked after just one use. Over time, it really seemed to reduce frizz and split ends, which is a game changer for anyone dealing with dry, damaged hair. But let's talk about the cons. While the oil is lightweight, I did find that on particularly dry days, I needed to apply it more than once to really get the full moisturizing effect. Also, if you have fine hair, you'll want to be cautious about over-applying, as too much can leave it looking a little limp, especially if you use it as an overnight treatment. As for value for money, this one's a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, Aveda is known for premium, high-quality formulations, and this product certainly delivers in terms of hydration. But at one foul odds for the price, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. If you're someone who truly prioritizes natural ingredients and the overall performance, though, it might still be worth the splurge. I would compare this to other moisturizing oils out there, such as the Moroccan oil treatment. While the Aveda oil provides excellent hydration and shines naturally, the Moroccan oil might be a better fit if you're looking for something a bit richer and with more intense smoothing properties. However, Aveda's Dry Remedy oil stands out with its dedication to natural, sustainable ingredients. So if that's important to you, it's definitely a worthy contender. On the topic of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The small bottle is glass, which feels high-end and eco-conscious, but keep in mind, it's a little more delicate than plastic. If you've ever had a chance to interact with Aveda's customer service, you know they take their reputation seriously. The brand is known for its commitment to quality, and their support is no different. Any queries you have regarding their products are likely to be handled with care and attention. Now, if you're not quite ready to splurge, there are alternatives out there that can still offer solid moisturizing benefits without the premium price tag. Products like Garnier's Sleek and Shine Moroccan Oil or OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco might not have the same natural pedigree, but they certainly get the job done at a lower cost. To wrap things up, Aveda Dry Remedy Daily Moisturizing Oil definitely lives up to its claims of hydration and smoothing, making it a solid choice for those with dry, brittle hair in need of some serious TLC. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality, naturally derived product, I would say it's worth trying. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are still good alternatives to explore. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.